Identifying opportunities for wealth creation in 2023. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore strategies for financial success and wealth creation. In today's video, we're going to dive into the exciting topic of identifying opportunities to get rich. Identifying opportunities is a critical step towards financial success. Opportunities exist in various forms, ranging from entrepreneurial ventures to investments in emerging industries and market caps. Let's dive into various strategies that can help you identify the opportunities to get rich in 2023. Analyze market trends and shifts. Keeping abreast of market trends and shifts is crucial for identifying lucrative opportunities. By understanding the evolving needs and preferences of consumers, you can position yourself to meet those demands and create wealth. Consider the following strategies. 1. Stay informed. Regularly consume industry publications, news outlets, and reports to stay updated on market trends, emerging technologies, and economic shifts. Subscribe to newsletters, follow industry influencers on social media, and join relevant communities for timely information. 2. Conduct market research. Conduct thorough market research to identify gaps or unmet needs in the market. Use surveys, focus groups, and customer feedback to gain insights into consumer preferences and emerging trends. 3. Identify industry disruptions. Keep a close eye on industries that are undergoing significant disruptions. Technological advancements, regulatory changes, and shifting consumer behavior can create opportunities for innovation. Assess demographic shifts. Analyze demographic changes, such as population growth, aging population, or shifts in income levels. These changes offer new opportunities in industries like healthcare and consumer goods. 5. Industry consumer behavior. Understand consumer behavior, preferences, and purchasing patterns. Identify emerging trends, such as the rise of R-commerce, sustainability, or the demand for personalized experiences, and explore ways to capitalize on these shifts. 6. Identify niche markets. Look for underserved or niche markets where demand exists but supply is limited. By targeting these specific segments, you can differentiate yourself from competitors and build a local customer base. Leverage emerging technologies. Moving further into the video, let's talk about emerging technologies that present abundant opportunities for wealth creation. By understanding these technologies and their application, you can identify areas where disruptions can lead to substantial financial gains. Consider the following strategies. 1. Explore artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, MI. AI and MI technologies can revolutionize industries such as healthcare, finance, retail, and manufacturing. Look for ways to leverage these technologies to create innovative solutions. 2. Assess the potential of blockchain. Blockchain technology offers decentralized and transparent solutions. Explore applications beyond cryptocurrencies, such as supply chain management, smart contracts, and data security, which can create new business opportunities. 3. Capitalize the Internet of Things, IoT. The IoT ecosystem continues to expand, connecting various devices and enabling data-driven decision-making. Identify industries where IoT can optimize operations, improve productivity, and enhance customer experiences. 4. Embrace renewable energy. The shift towards clean energy creates opportunities in the renewable energy sector. Consider investing in solar, wind, and hydroelectric power projects. 5. Understand virtual and augmented reality, VR/AR. VR/AR technologies can transform industries such as gaming, entertainment, education, and training. Look for ways to leverage these immersive technologies to create engaging experiences. 6. Analyze biotechnology and health tech. The advancements in biotechnology, genomics, and health tech presents opportunities to personalized medicine, diagnostics, therapeutics, and digital health. Stay informed about the breakthroughs in these fields. Spot market gaps and unmet needs. Identifying market gaps and unmet needs can lead to lucrative opportunities for wealth creation. By recognizing areas where solutions are lacking or existing products or services can be improved, you can gain a competitive edge. Consider the following strategies. 1. Identify pain points. Analyze industries and identify pain points for challenges faced by consumers or businesses. Look for opportunities to develop products or services that address the pain points effectively. 2. Seek feedback from customers and industry. Engage with potential customers, conduct surveys, and seek feedback from industry experts to identify areas where existing solutions are inadequate. 3. Study competitors. Analyze your competitors to identify areas where they may not be fully addressing customer needs. Look for ways to differentiate yourself by providing a better solution. 4. Monitor consumer trends and preferences. Stay updated on consumer trends, preferences, and changing behaviors. Look for evolving lifestyles or shifts in consumer values to create new opportunities. 5. Analyze traditional industries. Consider traditional industries that have been slow to adapt to technological advancements or evolving customer demands. Identify ways to disrupt these industries with innovative solutions, streamlined processes, or improved customer experiences. 6. Explore sustainability and eco-friendly solutions. With increasing emphasis on sustainability and environmental consciousness, there are ample opportunities to develop eco-friendly products, services, and technologies. Consider renewable resources and sustainable practices. Embrace social and cultural shifts. In this segment of the video, we'll talk about social and cultural shifts that can create wealth. Consider the following strategies. 1. Focus on health and wellness. Health and wellness continues to grow. Identify areas within the sector, such as fitness, mental health, nutrition, or alternative therapies, where you can provide innovative services. 2. Cater to aging population. The aging population presents opportunities in sectors like healthcare, retirement communities, technology solutions for seniors, and personalized service that caters to the needs of older individuals. 3. Address diversity and inclusion. With the growing importance of diversity and inclusion, there are opportunities to create products, services, and experiences that cater to underrepresented groups. Identify market gaps and address the unique needs of a diverse population. 4. Tap into the sharing economy. The sharing economy has transformed industries like transportation, accommodation, and peer-to-peer services. Look for ways to leverage this trend by offering platforms that facilitate collaboration. 5. Explore ethical and sustainable consumerism. Ethical consumerism, conscious purchasing, and sustainable practices are gaining momentum. Identify opportunities to offer ethical alternatives that promote a sustainable lifestyle. 6. Leverage digital transformation. The shift towards digital transformation offers opportunities in various industries, such as e-commerce, remote work solutions, digital education, online entertainment, and virtual events. Conclusion: identifying opportunities is a crucial step towards building wealth in 2023. With diligence, perseverance, and a proactive mindset, you can identify opportunities that align with your skills, ultimately paving the way for wealth creation. So, if you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel for more such videos.